Okay, 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go!
So the first heat is underway in the Cordless Canoe Challenge, sponsored by Makita.
It's close.
Pretty even at the start between boat number 2, Fast
So
Tony.
he's got to get the inside line.
Number 3, Pagan.
Yes. Yes. Pushing it out. Inside line. It's definitely
Both are very different power
very
sources,
close.
but pretty evenly matched so far.
I think Fast has got it. The one on the outside has to go the long way round.
Yeah, that's not fair.
Well, that's the rules.
Pagan with a little edge there, but has to go round to the outside.
So he's going to have to. Ooh, he turns
Sees
quite
the
well.
lead there
I
to
think I
Fast
turned.
3.
Oh no! Into the wind.
Loss of the turn.
Yeah, this is it. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're on the home stretch.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Boat number 2.
It's very, very close.
Versus Pagan, boat 3.
He's holding it. He's just got it. I think she calls Pagan.
As the finish line is fast.
Yeah,
Just in the lead.
crouch down.
Pretty close.
Yeah, she's going to do it.
Looks to be a very close race. Three is going to be the winner of Heat 1.
He's lighter and longer than Pagan. He's the same problem, I think. Oh, yay!
Just in the